Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA with Law Firm Velocity. In this series of videos, we're talking about how to track leads by lead source within Lexicata. So let's start with an example report. So what we have is we have a listing of all the leads over the last week or the last month, whichever period you want to use. So we have the lead source, so we have referrals, we have generic referrals, we have BNI based referrals, and then we have a couple paid traffic sources. Anything that's referral based, we want to keep a separate column so we know the name of the person who sent us the referral. And then we just have the matter detail, just on the details on the lead. And then we have a count to see how many leads we've gotten from each source. If you really want to be fancy with this, you could use the Lexicata matter amount, and then you could sum total sales amount by matter. So why do we want to do this? So a lot of firms spend considerable amounts of time and money on marketing activities, and there's no real connection between the activity and the dollars spent and the actual leads received. By looking at this report, we get that information and we can better choose where we should spend future marketing resources. There is kind of a multi-step process that once you start requesting this report from your office manager, that the first couple weeks they won't produce it because they think you're joking, and then they'll give it to you the second and third week and they'll say, I really don't know where these lead sources are because every time someone calls they say we found you on the internet. And so the process usually goes down the path of you set up tracking numbers and separate landing pages on your website, and you get better at phone screening so you can more accurately identify the lead source. But that's a good thing to do because now you're getting more information. And then once you get the report nailed down around week 6 or so, that now you can start tracking ROI on marketing spend. So in this example, if we're spending $2,000 a week on Yelp ads, and I'm looking at this report and I see no leads from Yelp, well, we know either Yelp is severely broken or we just need to stop that spend. And then as you do this for several months, this just kind of helps you fine-tune the sales process. So I'm going to make this series in multiple different videos so it's easy to find the piece that you need. So this video is a report introduction. Another video is going to be how to add the custom fields into Lexicata. And then the third video is going to be how to take the massive Lexicata Excel export and turn it into this report. Thanks. Bye.